How to change your region on TikTok. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. Without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, open TikTok app. As you open TikTok app, then go to the profile option that is located down below. As you click on the profile option, then go to these three dots that is located up above, and then go to settings and privacy. As you go to settings and privacy, now you cannot directly change your region, but you can do a trick that will tell TikTok that you are not from that region, and it will help you show stuff from other region, and that is by going to content preference. As you click on content preference, then change to video languages. As you change your video language to any other language, like say if you want to watch Spanish content, then you have to change it to Spanish. As you change to Spanish language, then it will show you Spanish country content. This is how you can change country or region on TikTok. There is no other way to change it, or you can change it by changing your mobile number. So this is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also hit the like button. If you have any comment, put it down in the comment section. Thank you.